Today we're going to learn to add a harmonic to your playing. A harmonic sounds like this. Here it is among some chords. The first step, we're going to do the low D string, is to find the fret on your dulcimer where it plays the next D up. This may vary depending on how many frets you have on your dulcimer. On mine it's the 8th fret. Okay, now put your pointer finger over the right side fret wire, but very important, do not press down so your finger is not touching the fretboard, it's lightly touching the string. Step 3, while your finger is lightly touching the string, play the string with your left hand finger or a pick and then immediately release. I'm going to do that again. So that sounds very different to this, doesn't it? And then we're going to go ahead and do the next string. Find the octave, put your left hand finger lightly directly over the fret wire, but don't press down. Play the string and release. And then we'll do the next string. Find the octave, put your left hand finger directly over the fret wire, but don't push down. Just touch the string lightly. Play the string and release. Here it is without talking.